Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I fell off the grid, but we are here now and we got a lot to do. I have unboxings, I have Roy's 6 to 9 month updates to do. Everything has been backtracking because of this COVID-19, but we got a few things to tackle. So yes, my hair is not done, but I know, excuse me, I went on the road to do my monthly shopping and capitalize on getting stuff before Antigua and Barbuda went on the 24 hours lockdown. So we're going to jump into this video now and see what we have in store. So our first video is going to be my unboxing, where I do my Ipsy boxes, and then we go from there. So the first box that I have is this one, and I have been waiting on this box forever because then the bag is what I really admire with it. And this month Ipsy, well, the month of March, Ipsy celebrated 100 glam bags. So it's giveaways for days. Party on, our 100 glam bag celebration is still going strong. Join us at Ipsy for exciting giveaways every single day. Epic products, cashback, and much more. We're ending this month with a bang. And it doesn't really give you the information about the bag or the products and how much they cost and stuff like that. So we're gonna just dive into it. And the first thing on top is the Ipsy bag. This is how the inside looks. It's really spacious. It has Ipsy at the back, a nice little strap with studs on it. It has an inside pocket and just a pink tab that says Ipsy. So you can fit quite a few stuff in there. I will see if at the end, when we finish with all our products, if everything pulls in, but that's our bag. I don't know what that is. And the first thing that I got was a 111 skin product. This is a black diamond eye mask, and this is a rose gold brightening facial treatment mask. And I'm in front of my window. I don't have on my ring light today because the sun is out, so we're just using up the sun. This came together. I had a facial mask worth $200 or $250 from Ipsy in one of my glam bags some months ago, and I haven't used it yet. It's really expensive and I'm looking forward to trying it though. The next thing was a complex couture precision concealer brush, and it's triangular shaped, so you know, for on the eye area you can really get into that. It came in this little pouch. The next thing that I see here is a hydrating gel from Rae-el, and this is what it looks like outside of the box. Fancy dancy. Ooh, that is cute. It's jelly. It smells really nice. So I'll probably do an updated video on me using some of these products, giving my honest review, because I have to spend my money and buy my glam bag. So this will not be that will not be a sponsored video. This is a Christopher Robin scrub, a cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt. So this is what this looks like. These products are really smelling nice. That's it. Has a nice consistency. So I'm really thankful with all these facial items that I get from Ipsy, because I could get to always keep my face and my skin 100%. The next item is this sweet pineapple and honey melon herbal body moisturizer. This is divine. You should be able to smell this. I will be keeping this, not giving hubby that one to put into his bag. I got another Thrive Cosmetic product. This is a high shine reviving topper, a lip mate. So this would go over your lipstick, I would assume. You start dry. So guys, comment in the comment section, how is quarantine going for you? Ooh, this is pretty. That is cute. It has a holographic looking shine to it, and the one is really nice. I'm more of a lip gloss type of girl. Not really lip gloss. I don't like lip gloss that really shine like this. I would put it, a lip gloss rather. I'll put it on top of my matte lipstick if I don't really want it to be matte for too long or to just dry out my lips. But I'm a lip balm type of girl. I love lip balms, especially peppermint, something like that where you can feel the sensation on your lips. I really like that. I have a Murad Step 1 Murad Cleanse. Exfoliates to revive young skin or some shit. But this is it. I'm not getting a scent from it's sealed, so I will use this and let you guys know. It was really, box was really packed this month. The next thing are these nail polish. I don't really fancy nail polish unless I have on nails, so maybe for my birthday or Roy's birthday or something, since we'll be inside, I'll get my nails done at home to use those. Let's see. This is really heavy. This has a nice like shiny orange. Ooh, these are the colors that are in this. Let me swatch them to see. They are attracts love. The first color is Femme, Instinct, Dynamic, and Vitality. So far the Vitality is the one that I really like. I hope these are really pigmented because that would disappoint a sister. Look at that. Look at that. So right off the bat, that is something that I would use. The brown, I didn't do a lot on that, but you can't really see it, and I really like that, so I could do something with that on my eye. So I really like this little palette. You know, these little things come in handy where you just want something to slip into your bag. We're not going nowhere right now, but just to have something to slip into your bag, like what, when you're on the go. The next thing that I see is a Face Hero, a powerful and protective face oil to go, and it's a little squeeze top, so you can squeeze. Kind of got it. I forgot that I used the makeup, my fingers to swatch and getting makeup on my face. Ipsy gotta give a girl what she needs. This is a after hours lip balm with moisturizing release technology, passion fruit. Are you insane? This is definitely going to go to my bag. The next thing that I see is a Hey Honey Show Your Glow, made to soothe, firm, and hydrate your skin. This is a honey beauty mask, and it's gold. I don't know if you can see the gold color, but it's sealed, so that is something else for us to try. I see my channel really taking a turn. Apart from business, now to like beauty and makeup kind of stuff. So we getting somewhere. I'm finding the niche that I want to get into. This is a really cute packaging. Like, look at that. This is a library of flowers, African American small bunch. Ooh. Oh, fancy dancy. Can you see that? This is a hand cream. Still sealed, so I'll eventually let you know how these are. I don't really intend to open everything at once. And the last item in this box, you know, whenever we see this gray box, we're excited because it means brushes. And right now I really love that Ipsy has been sending me a few of these brand of brushes because I really like them. And this here, guys, is a angled foundation brush. So this is another triangular shape. It's really nice, and I'm happy. Yes, baby, I'm happy that I get a foundation brush. So your girl makeup about to be on and popping. I'm really learning, really getting into the groove of doing my makeup. So y'all look out for me. Look out for me. Not to become a makeup artist, but I promise y'all I will be getting better at this.